comes number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's in it. He's in it. He's sucking out his neck. He gon' meet that fucking. We gon' kick your dough. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You hit that. Murder, what she wrote. Saw him in the scope. I'm about to. From page to the post. He ain't getting no. That nigga died.
And all the people say, you don't care wake up, this is not a dream. You are not a human being. We should get so made up and they notice me. Low on self-esteem, so you run on gasoline.
Bring the lion out, bring the lion out. Bring the lion out, bring the lion out.
Strike class.
Love is just a history that they may prove, and when you're gone, I'll tell them my religion's you. When punctures come to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands.
There's the monstrous nightmare. Only the best Vikings go after those.
Вы это видели? Будущий вождь племени трус! Я тебя обидел! Давай, ударь меня! Тебе же самому хочется. Ладно, но запомни, ты сам напросился.
Think I need someone older, just a little bit colder. Take the weight off your shoulders. Think I need someone older. Wanna be a victim, ready for abduction. You're that alien, you're touch so far.
Want a break from the ads? Want a break from the ads?
You think you can come into my home, sit in my father's chair, and threaten my dragon?